Take a ride in the 2011 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, speed control, 160 amp alternator, body color door handles, compact spare tire, fog lamps, front license plate bracket. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, front side airbags, leather wrapped steering wheel, overhead console. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.